Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to make what is called pap, and in my local dialect we call it Akamu. So because I usually buy Akamu from African store, but today I really want to make it by myself today. And what we use for this is corn, which is also known as maize. I got this from open market, that is like farmers market, but it's really costly. This one is $8, and then this one is $16. I don't know why. I just decided to buy this one and then mix together, because when you look at this one look like it has a lot of starch in it, but this one is just like transparent. So I decided to buy these two and then mix it together. So let's get started. It doesn't really matter which one you pour in first. So yeah. I don't even know if this container will be enough. Yeah, it will be. Yeah, you look at this one, it's really big. Yeah, it's big, really big. I've never used this one for Akamu before, but I just want to try it and see. It's Mexican corn. So these are the tiny ones. So out of these two, it doesn't really matter which one you put in a container first. So these are, we just going to mix it together. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of this. So all this together is $24, which is really good. So now it's time for me to pour the water in. This is the corn after washing it. So now it's ready to blend, but I'm going to add other stuff, which I will show you right now. This is 3 days after after I soaked the corn in the water. So I'm going to take it out and then wash it, blend it, and then wash all the starch out. So keep watching and then you will see the step by step on how I'm going to do this. Oh yeah, this is it. So I'm going to wash it under, it's all fermented. I'm going to wash it behind the camera, then I'll bring it back, wash it under the running water. So this is the corn after washing. So let's get started to blend it. Please don't mind my blender. This blender has been here in this house for decades. I got this blender in 2012. So it's a Vitamix. I got it 2012 when the price was so high. I got it 400 and something as at that time, but now it's cheaper. It's like 300 and something, and when it's on sale it's 200 and something. So it's old. Since 2012 to this is 10. This is approximately 10 good years. Okay, this is the end product of the Akamu I blended. Yeah, this is how the color is. This color supposed to be white, but because of the gloves, ginger, not a benero, sorry, cayenne pepper I put in it, it makes the color to change. That's why it's like this. And I like those flavor I have. I like the flavor of ginger combined with gloves and cayenne pepper in my Akamu. So the next thing I'm using for this Akamu is this shifter container. Yeah, so this is what I did. I tied the cloth or Akamu cloth up. I tied it up like this and then this way, but I can't just leave it like this because it's not going to balance. So I grab a different container and then put this inside, and this really make it to balance. So let's get started with washing of the account. I still remember when I was a little child, let's say in my teenage age. I remember that quite well. We normally do this Akamu like every other week, and we keep it in the house just to eat. That's always our breakfast with mom. So I like doing this by myself instead of buying from like African store. We have it right here, the powder form. So you don't know how long they make it, but I like making mine fresh. And I put everything that I needed. Like now I needed to put garlic, no, not garlic, ginger in mine. So I have to put it, yeah, and gloves. So please keep watching as I'm doing this. Draw it like this to yourself so that you'll be able to squeeze out, but it's still really difficult because the water is full. Yeah, just squeeze out the water. Sometimes I do leave it just like that because everything will sink down, and then I take it off with this. So I'm going to leave it here for some time for the Akamu to settle down. That is the starch to settle down. Then after like 2-3 hours, I'll drain all the water down out. And then, so what I would like you to do is keep watching and see how I'm going to do this at the end. So everyone, this is the Akamu. The starch, also known as pap, is ready. So I finished washing it and I drained out the water, but if it's still watery, but some of it really settled down at the bottom. So now I'm going to put it in the bag, and after putting it in the bag, drain out the water, I'll put it in my dehydrator because I have to dry it and make it like a powder form so that it can last longer. So this is it. So let's put it in a bag. So this is the bag I'm using to drain out the water from the pap. Yeah, so they sent it to me from Nigeria. So yeah, it's from Nigeria. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to put the Akamu here, but I have to remove it from inside out. From inside out. Why? Because you see all this sewing, the thread. I don't want the pap to get stuck in here. I already washed it already, so before then I have to fold the back. I still remember how my mom used to do Akamu. Yeah, you have to fold it back. It's a cloth bag. Yeah, like salt cloth. I don't even know, but this one they make it directly. They say to dry cassava. So this is the cone. So I don't have anybody to help me right now to hold it, so I have to try it by myself because nobody is in the house right now. So pour it in and then lift it up because I don't want it to come out. Yeah, scoop another one again. So just finish backing this, put it in a bag. So I will leave it here. See, the Akamu is not coming out, it's just pure water that is coming out. So I will tie it around. So that's it. I'll put my blender on top of this to continue squeezing out the water, and I will do that off the camera, so when it's dry or when I'm picking it out of the bag, I will bring it and show to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, comment, say anything that you feel I might have done different to make this. So don't ask a question, why is it not white? As I said earlier, I mix it with ginger, cloves, and cayenne pepper. So that's why the color changed. So keep watching. So this is the final of this Akamu. Yeah, it's all dry. So let me just open so that we can all see how it is. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. The clove and the ginger make it smell so good. Yeah, see it right here. It's not really white because of the ginger garlic that I put it in. It's somehow like yellow. Not garlic, cloves I mean. So this is the Akamu. I just took it out of the bag that it was. Yeah, it's somehow like yellow because of the gloves, and then the ginger and the cayenne pepper I'm mixing it. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. So you can soak this in water and keep changing water every morning, but I'm not going to do so because this is a lot and it may be forever because we don't really eat this type of something always. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in the dehydrator and then dry it. So I'm putting this like this in my dehydrator, so and then dry it, and then it will be in a powder form. This one in that case it can be forever. Nothing will happen to it. So continue watching and see what I'm going to do. So I put everything in the dehydrator for it to dry so that I can make it a powder in a powder form. So this is it. This is all Akamu. This thing has 6 rows, but I put a lot in it. I only put it in 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 rows. So yeah, this is the type of dehydrator I got because I had a lot of good story about kusuri, so I decided to buy it. So I got it from Amazon. Yeah, so let me turn it on. To turn it on, I have to plug in the kusuri. I call it kusuri dehydrator. And then the next thing is for me to turn it on. Oh, it was already on, so everything was already. So this is 15 hours and it's 160 Fahrenheit. So that's how it's going to be. So 15 hours. So I will leave it here. It may be overnight. It's not going to be overnight. So when it's done, it will turn off itself. So let's see if that 15 hours will be enough or it will be lesser than that. So that's it for today for all the Akamu. I will show you the powder form in my next video when I'm making the Akamu. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you did not subscribe to this video, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and God will bless you as you do so. Thank you. Bye.